I bet it makes at least 11 horsepower.
What you got there, Jordan?
This little guy? I wouldn't worry about this little guy. Dang it. You just cost me like 10 grand. Yeah, you could, like, our Dark Horse build's gonna be a 2,000 wheel horsepower. Thanks to Avery.
Right here. Mean assembled in the United States, we mean truly made in the United States. We're a U.S. company. Everybody asks, what type of oil?
ProCharger oil.
Don't be cheap.
Yes, if you want to be cheap, there's a...
Where are we going? What are we doing?
Oh, we're gonna go visit the old FX car.
ProCharger toy shop.
I forgot we had one.
Bunch of drives, bunch of 40 mile.
Oh my gosh, I missed it.
I think Avery missed the car more than I did.
I love that car.
All the
Boost, all the boost.
All the boost.
Yeah, it is. This is a Ford. Oh, there's a
couple
C8 up there.
GM stuff back there. We got our C6 back there, C8 up here. Got our F-150s, F-250.
There's a 350 somewhere.
Oh yeah, I got that tucked away. FX on the dyno getting tested, of course.
I bet it makes at least 11 horsepower.
Oh,
This thing looks familiar.
It's something's different. I don't know. I can't quite put my finger on it.
it makes a
Yeah.
yeah.
Something tells me it's going to be different even than this when it leaves here.
Right.
Right? Like I have this weird feeling.
What you got there, Jordan?
This little guy? I wouldn't worry about this little guy. This is a made in America piece of horsepower is what this is.
Go hold it up. Go hold it up next to the car.
Come on, tell me that ain't going to be...
So
Wait, hold on. Let me get the white wheels in the frame.
Oh, baby.
Yeah.
You guys are looking to make some records with this, right? You guys are trying to make some high horsepower.
We're going to try to do something with it.
Yeah.
You know, it's going to go fast. That's all I can say.
F1A94, right?
Correct.
Yeah, and then on there's the P1X right now. I
Correct.
believe.
Yeah, like 1,000.
Let's treat it like that new baby photo.
Yeah.
Just
You
put your
guys,
arm
you
around
guys
me.
just do your normal weird stuff.
You got the umbilical
It's a
cord and
Wow.
everything.
That's actually hilarious. This can be, like, I don't even remember what phase are we on. 3? Is this phase 3?
It's phase 1 through 12.
Yeah.
Still smells new. You guys have...
I noticed that. The seats are awesome.
I dig them.
The seats are awesome.
A lot of people on the internet, you know, people are like, why didn't you get the Recaros? I'm like, because I like my butt cool when it's hot outside and my butt warm when it's cold outside.
These things are making some pretty good steam. Even like Eric put down 1077 with that P1X on the Dark Horse.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Yeah.
That was sick.
Takes really, I mean, he's 895, I believe, in the quarter.
Yeah.
We're excited to see what you guys are able to do.
At least that, I think. You know, we got to keep the show car thing going. So
100%.
we're gonna try to keep a completely complete car that runs 8s.
Yeah. Now that would be sick, wouldn't
Yeah.
it?
That would be awesome.
Show and go.
Yeah.
Show and
Show
go.
and
Show enough.
Yeah. With the pink coilovers, where else are you guys going to do pink? I was trying to figure out, is it just the coilover or the?
Well, we're gonna do.
Yeah, let's tell the viewers too.
Well, we don't know. We're not.
Maybe it's secret. Don't want
Okay,
to.
so no, we're doing a special set of brakes on it.
Okay.
We're working with somebody we really want to use,
Yeah.
so hopefully they'll work with us and it'll work out. And we'll probably use them either way.
Right.
But we're gonna fill their brand in hot pink and have them teal.
Yeah.
So it'll be teal calipers with their brand in hot pink.
That's fantastic.
And then maybe if we can etch our logo on them too or something, that
would be sick. That's what we were guessing. We were like, maybe
Yeah, and like
brakes?
and we were talking about the spoke on the wheel because you can.
Oh yeah.
Like doing the weld logo.
So they have a Weld logo etched into the wheel and just powder coated into it.
Right.
So we talked about maybe cleaning that up and then doing that there too.
That would be cool.
Just a little touch. We were
touches
originally
here
going
and
to do it here, but I actually don't think I like that. Maybe just the dot on the 5.
It pops out on that blue for sure. That 5.0.
Yeah.
But even taking pictures of this, I mean, in the dark, like you need to put it in the light. The sunlight makes this thing pop like crazy.
It stands out. I mean, it stood out when you walked in here.
Yeah,
Like,
100%, 100%.
No question where that thing's at.
Yeah. I mean, so you guys gonna do any in-house tuning, custom tuning stuff?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna do a custom fuel system with Snow Performance controller in their hat and stuff, and then we're gonna do our fuel system. We're gonna do that. We're gonna go with bigger injectors, then go with E85,
Nice.
and try to get The thing is you can't really turn down the F1A to like sane levels.
Yeah.
I think we were trying to figure it out. I think it's gonna be somewhere between 17 and 19 pounds of boost when it leaves here.
Okay.
And
there we go.
That's gonna be the everyday party.
Yeah.
it's gonna be a party every day, all day.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try to run a little bit we're gonna try to run E's to keep the thing safe.
Yeah,
because
100%.
we're trying to do this with as much stock components as we can, just to show, hey, look, if you know what you're doing, you tune it right, you can use the stock training, stock rear end, stock bottom end, and come out here and go 8s in one of these cars.
100%.
So that's kind of the point we're trying to make with this car is like we're going to try to be as together as long as possible,
Right.
and as many stock components as possible.
Right.
And so
Yeah, motor wise, I mean, it's got oil pump gears. That's our
Yeah.
go-to all the time. Aside from that, I mean, there's guys that have made, we've made 1100 wheel on a stock motor.
Right.
See, I mean, that should make for a pretty good number. Plus, this car's lighter too than the red car.
Right.
I really want to see like what kind of number we can run like in full street trim on the 20s. I think that'd be pretty cool.
Yeah.
it'd be sweet to go 8s on 20s. I know that's kind of a.
Imagine that.
We have 18s for it
Yep.
Yeah.
coming.
Yep.
Or we don't have them yet though.
No, they're on order.
Okay.
Order.
We're
So
just
we
not
have some
waiting
bead
on Weld
locks
to
and
put
stuff
those
coming,
together.
but I think we're going to try to run like R2s and just see if we can go
Yeah.
8s on 20-inch R2s.
Got the style going
Yeah,
8s as
yeah,
well.
oh,
That's
yeah.
something else, man.
So I think we're just trying to like, I want people to think this is an inexpensive build by like how little they can't tell what we've done,
Right.
but they can tell something's done. That's kind of this build is like, I want everything to be kind of touched, but not like excessive or overdone.
Oh, right. Overbuilt.
So so that's kind of the point of this car. And then to go out and be able to run at least low 9s on 20s would be
Right.
freaking cool.
Right.
Oh, yeah.
There's Brian.
Hey, Brian.
That's
We-
the handsome devil that's working on the thing.
We're gonna film too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or digital. Either way.
Well, we can delete or bleep anything that we don't need to have on film.
Big smiley face. We've become very
Like,
close.
sway bar brackets.
You're either going to love this car when you're done or totally hate it.
End links be white.
What are your thoughts? You like it?
Color.
Yeah.
You like the color?
It's subtle, but I love,
Car
I
is
love
like,
attention to detail. That's always been a thing for me.
So we'll probably do a bracket.
Yeah,
He's also got a Ranger with a LS in it, so
I'm special.
he's special.
that is a word for it.
Yeah.
It's a very PC way of putting that, but all right.
I know we have that carbon wide intake too.
I know, I wish we
but
could put that on here.
I wonder if Eric can.
Wrangle that up.
Yeah.
That would be sick.
That would work. That would be so sick.
Yeah.
For sure.
Because we're either going to do that or powder coat it white.
The
I
car-
don't
the
wanna
carbon would
overdo
match the rest
colors.
of the
The carbon
thing.
would be cool. 'Cause
Yeah.
I have
Yeah.
a carbon fiber.
Radio
thing.
support.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we're
cover-
talking about
Cover.
potentially the mirror caps and
mirror caps.
What do you think? You think mirror caps we'll do the roof carbon? Do you think mirror caps carbon
Or body color.
or
Or white.
That's a tough
I actually
one.
thought white the other day.
Yeah. What?
why would
I'll
be
do
more
body
kind of
color. I think mine body color.
minis? Like I feel like a Mini Cooper.
It would be more like
Yeah.
I had a Mini Cooper, so I can attest to
That's
that.
okay. That's what kind of makes me think about it.
I kind of think the Adriatic blue, personally.
You think stick with the body color?
Yeah, that's what I would pick. I think. What about you?
Thin out body color over carbon.
Oh, I like where your head's at.
That would be sick.
I like where your head's at.
That would be sick.
That might actually be the theme for everything that's carbon fiber.
Yeah.
Wait, Brian just cooked there.
Yeah.
Let him cook.
Yeah.
Our boy Starkey's got
He said mic drop, he's out.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying.
color carbon stuff. So that would be cool.
That would be sick.
That would be. Dang it! You just cost me like 10 grand.
Ideas.
Yeah, we gotta get like this. Get one of these.
Yeah.
Like black. Like so many little details, but that's
Well,
what's just gonna set this.
And
thing
what are your thoughts? Okay, you got a mind's eye for this. I think we have a little, not even a disagreement, but a little bit of. We talked about pulling this off.
I just
oh,
told
okay.
yeah.
You think
Well,
teal?
we didn't hear it.
Yeah.
What were you guys
With
talking
the
about?
white. Yeah, I was gonna say, explain to the folks out there.
Yeah, what are we
we're
talking about?
The bracket.
Uh-huh.
We're talking about doing this in teal and the blower in white, and then doing this tube and either carbon fiber would be amazing, but we'd have to find somebody to make one probably.
There's still one. There's one floating around.
There's one floating
I've
around.
seen it. I've seen
Somewhere
it.
around
We
here.
have to
SEMA 2 years ago. I
put it in your
think, right?
purse. Or doing white or teal or even maybe hot pink. But my thoughts were do white and then do like our Performance Paradise logo on it and the hot pink and teal.
Yeah, I like that.
Well, at SEMA this year, we did obviously Freddie LSX's truck, and we did a white bracket with a white blower. And that, with how much black plastic and dark colors are in the engine bay, it made that was the first thing you looked at the engine bay, and you're like, "There's the blower."
White on white would be crazy, and I feel like it would almost make it look like bigger, like in a sense.
Well,
we
I
could
can
also
get behind the
could
teal
also do
as
like
well.
teal and do the insert. Like we can play with the
I
cutout
could get
too.
behind that. Yeah.
yeah.
I
like
do
where your
like
head's
the
at.
white
So-
and teal kind of combo because it matches with the wheels
Yeah.
and the body. And
And then maybe
Yeah.
just like one of the inserts, like a little one in the hot pink. So you do like white, teal, and then like a hot pink, like one little
We're gonna
splash.
make that work.
That would be cool.
Zach, it's on you.
You guys are going to Mustang Week, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Texas
Excited
and-
for that.
Yeah. Are you guys gonna be at Mustang Week?
I believe ProCharger will be.
Well, I know you will because
Yep.
we're trying to be right next to you. So
Yep,
this will
yep.
be
So
right next to you guys.
That's super exciting.
Yeah, we're trying to end up between UPR and
Yeah.
you guys.
Yeah. So we're
That's super exciting.
So we're trying to pick your location on the back end.
Yeah, yeah.
Guess
You
where
guys
ProCharger's
doing
gonna be.
both? Are you doing Charlotte and Galveston?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Yeah, yeah.
We'll be at both. This car will be at both.
Man, that's gonna be awesome.
The Power Auto Media truck will be at both. The Dark Horse hopefully will be at both. It's literally a shell right now. So I have to go from shell to show ready and finish this.
Yep.
And finish a couple customer cars before we go. We drove a bunch of cars down last year.
Yeah.
I
This year
drove,
we're
you
gonna
drove.
transport it.
Right.
Yeah,
We're gonna fly down.
Yeah,
We're
we're
gonna-
gonna transport.
It is a long drive.
Just to try to cut some of the time away. You know.
Yeah. 100%.
Except for Avery, she's pulling the trailer.
We'll see.
Oh man.
I'm getting trailer lessons here soon.
Awesome. That's
I'm
gonna be
excited.
crazy.
I think I'll do good.
I'm sure you'll do just fine.
I'm a good
All
I'm a
just
good
about
driver.
Paying attention. That's the biggest thing. And don't be shy to back up if you get scared.
Me shy.
I've seen you panic. The point of this car is you could build this car. Like
Right.
somebody could put this together.
True.
You know, we could build this car for somebody
Yep.
and every single time they get a very similar result.
100%.
That's the whole point of this car. Because, yeah, you could, like, our Dark Horse build's going to be a 2,000 wheel horsepower. Thanks to Avery. She decided to blast us on the internet and throw the gauntlet down saying we're going to make 2,000 wheel.
I heard 2,000 and then I just thought why not
2,000 crank
why not be
horsepower comes out to
optimistic?
somewhere around 1,1700 wheel.
Yeah.
Not
You're welcome.
2,000 wheel. So now Jordan has a lot more work to do.
Yeah. Maybe, right?
It's fine.
Really, this is just bolt-on kit.
Yeah.
Some other logo.
Yeah, we'll do like
going on,
headers.
Something different.
We're going to do a rainbow titanium exhaust.
Covering the camera does not take away the audio, Jordan.
And then we're trying to do rainbow titanium hardware everywhere we can put rainbow titanium hardware.
Oh man.
So the goal is we're trying to find them.
Yeah.
They have beadlock hardware that's rainbow titanium, and so we're gonna because our wheels and beadlocks are white for the beadlocks.
Okay. Yeah.
And then we're gonna do rainbow titanium lug nuts.
Yep.
Like I said, I don't want to go so far off that you lose the like simple white on teal,
Right.
because that's like the coolest freaking color combo.
100%.
But then the rainbow titanium will tie in the hot pink as well, you know?
100%.
I'm so happy to finally have you guys on board with us on one of these
100%.
builds because this is gonna be a freaking riot.
Should we go over to the other building? Check it out. I've never actually seen the other building.
Don't take her.
Why?
I'm just kidding.
Oh.
Yeah, we always like
Yeah,
this for
just
Avery.
make sure we know what we can keep.
Yesterday we were doing a shop check-in and her car's at the end and she's just dying for me to introduce her car and I was just
Her
like,
new
"Ah,
car."
fuck this car. All right, bye.
You know what we should do? A one-off ProCharge 2013
14.
GT500. I'm just saying.
Has anybody ever done this?
Not that I know of. We know somebody that makes intake manifolds that have the air-to-water intercooler in them, so we could totally make like a 5.4 maybe kit work. Just saying.
That would be really dope.
Got our phone guys, obviously. Sales right here. You know, anytime anybody calls in and is needing some assistance, sales on a kit. These are all car dudes. They're racers. They're people, performance people of themselves. So their expertise. They know what you're going to need, how you're going to need it.
Not reading out of a manual trying to figure something out.
Exactly. These are enthusiasts themselves. I mean, back this way we have our engineering. If you guys want to check that out.
Can you imagine having to work with us all day every day? I could. That would be rough.
Yes, I can.
It's horrible, isn't it? Who are these guys?
This is engineering. This
The
is
trophy
where
room?
All the brain power is.
Sorry.
Well, I'll be out.
Really smart.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys.
We lost a few
I
cells
just
when he
lowered-
walked
I just
in.
lowered the IQ of the whole room.
/ trophy room. We just took home 2026 SEMA Best New Product Award for our M8 Harley kit, so our brand new Harley kit.
That's awesome.
That's really cool.
That's crazy.
Yeah, so I mean, it's a beautiful kit. But yeah, this is where all the brain power goes. And then kind of leading into our production line, full production. So everything we make, including the housing or the castings, are sourced in the United States. That's how we're able to pump out a kit between 3 and 5 days typically. Most stuff is made to order, so everything's really designed for you, right? Like, what is your horsepower goals? What is your build goals? What are you trying to do? The kit is made for you, not this kit sort of works for you, like, oh, you'll get there. Yeah. the raw material that we even get. I mean, this type of material is going to be cut into one of these impellers over here.
So wait. These things come from like China, right?
Wait.
Absolutely not.
Not those don't come from China?
No.
Where do they come from?
They come from Kansas. They come from the United States.
Right there, right?
Here.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Mexico, Kansas. That is a city and state in the United States. USA.
In the
made.
middle, dead center.
Yeah.
Like, just throw a dart to the middle of the United States. That's us, right
We
here.
don't mean assembled in the United States, we mean truly made in the United States, and that also means supporting United States workers. We have employees here. We're not outsourcing anything. We're supporting the U.S. economy. We're a U.S. company. I mean, these guys we're running 24/7, so there's a day shift and a night shift, so I mean, this place never closes down. We're always making stuff. I mean,
They're always ready to party.
This is so cool.
Castings are even sourced in the United States, so nothing we really do is left outside the United States. It's all USA sourced, made in America.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
It's like seeing how your baby's made, but like the beach.
All right, now he's going too far.
Shut him down.
Keep it moving. Keep it moving.
Every blower that leaves ProCharger is tested on an engine dyno. Not a single blower leaves here without getting run through to make sure it runs absolutely flawlessly before it heads out to your home or garage. We've got a marine motor here for different types of testing, and then we have a big block here. Big block, I mean, it tests everything up from P1SEs up to our latest updated F4X. I mean, 4,000 plus horsepower, 4,200 horsepower. This thing, you know when these guys are running for sure.
Yeah, there was one time out picking up some stuff and I could hear it ripping.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Building shaking?
Yeah.
Right.
This is kind of a cool spot. Our intercoolers. So even our intercoolers are made here, right? Like everything we do is made in. It sounds like beating a dead horse, but really
That's a big deal, though.
It is a big
I don't
deal.
think you can overstate that.
Right.
Like, it's a huge deal.
The guys are over here, making intercoolers day in, day out. Honestly, I wish I knew how to weld because I watch what they're doing and it's art, isn't it? Right.
100%.
We've seen basically from raw materials to coming to life to final production stuff. This is kind of where everything goes out from here. Everything's labeled. So when you get that right, you look, you're like, okay, what is this? Oh, it's super simple, just bolt it on. Get obviously your nice little ProCharger.
That's my favorite one.
license cover.
That's good. One of those is going on mine, right?
Yep.
The contents under pressure one.
Oh,
That is my
100%.
favorite license plate frame ever.
Little plug, if anybody needs oil, you can always hit up ProCharger
Or House of
or
Boost.
House of Boost.
Yeah.
Get some oil. Everybody asks, what type of oil?
ProCharger oil.
Real
Don't mess
simple.
around. Don't be cheap with your blower. Come on.
Don't be cheap.
If you want to be cheap, there's I'm not gonna say that. Don't use cheap stuff.
That was so cool.
Yeah.
Wasn't that amazing?
Yeah. That was like fun. That was like a school field trip, but like times 1,000. And it's at
Smile a
work.
lot.
Yeah.
This is a good time.
It's surprising the amount of people that don't know we're back here.
Yeah.
I mean, when people are like, where are you guys? Kansas City, obviously. Whether people have gotten accustomed to importing stuff and whatnot, we do everything here. That's always been the thing that we've always done. So, yeah.
Well, it's cool. And then over the many years I've been doing this, I got to know a lot of people that work here and stuff. And so it's like, these are not just somewhere we're buying stuff from. They're our friends now.
Yeah.
So it's a lot of fun being able to support your friends like that, you know. And we do it with our wallets, and that's the way you support. If you love something, you have to spend money.
Right.
Like if you like Boost, you gotta buy Boosty things. That's just the way the game goes. Thanks, guys. Good seeing you. Good seeing
Yeah, you too.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, love, share.
Like,
Us, them, everybody.
yeah, follow ProCharger too, but follow us too.
Bam.
All right. Thank you guys.